but it is definitely the priority of the Council of Ministers, as I've said, the Council of Advice, the CCSU. My person and my staff spent about 5 hours with the CCSU most recently to be able to get the consent and the covenant signed so we can get it to the Council of Advice. 5 hours sitting together with the screen, going through line for line, word for word. His Excellency Bailey is also very supportive in being able to get this done. So all hands are on deck and we're pushing. I recognize that it is a frustrating situation because it's more than 11 years. However, from the onset, I made one thing very clear. I am going to use the legislative trail to get this done because when it's done correctly. I'm not doing anything ad hoc. I'm not doing anything just to satisfy individuals in the meantime, and then when I'm not here, all sorts of realizations comes after. No. In this capacity, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to do it the correct way. I know that's long, and I'm sorry that it is long, but I think that in the long run, it will be appreciated that it was done correctly.